Greetings everyone. We have finally arrived in the town of Charters Towers and had a good rest day. It's time to drive into town to show you some of the sights. We begin by leaving the caravan park so you can see what it looks like from the inside. As we drive into the town centre, I'll fill you in on the history of Charters Towers. Does the word gold mean anything to you? I suppose so. Yes, that is what established the town. It was back on Christmas Eve in 1871 when a 12-year-old Aboriginal boy called Jupiter Mosman was prospecting for gold with some other prospectors. They had dismounted their horses to prospect. After a flash of lightning, the horses bolted away, and of course Jupiter was sent to find them. The boy did find the horses at a creek near the base of what is known today as Towers Hill. But not only did Jupiter find the horses, but also a sizable nugget of gold from the creek. This of course led to the establishment of the town of Charters Towers. The area here has been considered the richest goldfield in Australia with the highest yield of gold. The town built up rapidly and the population grew to about 30,000 people at its highest. At the time, Charters Towers was Queensland's second largest town outside of Brisbane, the capital city of Queensland. The town was so rich in gold that they established their own stock exchange back in 1888. All good things come to an end, so this golden river began to fade back in 1899, and by 1916 the stock exchange closed. The population began to fall dramatically and is only just over 8,000 today. It's estimated that between the years of 1871 and 1917, they extracted over 200 tons of gold. It wasn't until November 2006 that the gold fields were opened up again when the City Gold Corporation began a new gold mining operation about 4 kilometers from the town. It's estimated that with more modern mining techniques, it's possible to extract as much, if not much more gold than in the past. The golden years of the town have resulted in a large number of magnificent buildings clustered around the town centre. In fact, Charters Towers has more heritage listed properties than any other town or city in Queensland. You will see them as we drive around the city centre. I've also added some photos at the end of this video of the main buildings. The stock exchange from 1888 is especially a magnificent building from that era. Due to the gold found at the base of Towers Hill, it was eventually discovered that the hill had more gold, so it was heavily mined. Today is an excellent viewing platform over the city and the surrounding area. In the next video we visit Towers Hill and admire the view.